Welcome to the in front of me XIAOMI Redmi Note 8 Pro, and I'll show you how to enter vibration settings on this device. So first you should go to the settings application and scroll down to the sounds and vibration section. And now just scroll a little bit more down, and here as you can see we got the vibrate settings. Just you can enable the vibration for your calls. Also we can just tap here once on the switcher and enable the vibration in our silent mode. Also we can just turn off this function, and here we got the section of vibration on top, and we can switch this vibration to the light or to the stronger, or also we can just turn it off. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.